wanajamii wajamili macho yao, wanasema ipo kila siku. Majaliwa ya Mwenyezi Mungu, majaliwa ya Mwenyezi Mungu, tutakutana tena, tutakutana tena. Wanasema tu pale jana imekuwa fair, lakini ipo kila siku. Nasikia mashabiki wanasema
a team building of a company called Amsaj Energy Kenya. Yes. So they are having a team building leo. Plenty of games they are playing here. Football, volleyball, basketball, and later eating games. They are coming now. They are coming now. This is the ladies racing here. You can see them. We have the winner here. Here is the winner. Here is the winner. Yes, and her team is celebrating her. My guy here is my guy here is fuming, man. My guy here is fuming because his teammate has let him down. You have the winner here. Yes, as I told you, today we are doing team building, and now the basketball is happening here. And you see the basketball is happening here. Here in Kenya we call it bake. Yes, bake meaning basketball, all right? She missed there. Yes, you're having the basketball happening here. I think you can see what is happening right there. It's just a team building, not a serious team that is playing here, right? We have some serious cars here, man. People are driving some serious vehicles here in Kenya. I don't know whether you guys know this game. This is called the sack racing. Sack racing. You see this one? So you just enter in the sack and then you run. You are running when you are in the sack. This is a team building. Amsaj Energy Kenya. Team building here. Right, so let's wait at the finish line and see who is gonna be the winner here. Yes, and the sack race has officially started. I think you can see them here coming, running. So this is how we do the sack race. Can you see how they are running with the sacks? And we have the winner here. That leader's won. We have our number 2 right there. Yes, the sacking race. Oh, the sack race, not the sacking race, sorry. So this is East Africa University, a company called Amsaj Energy Kenya that deals with making gas cylinders. They are having their team building here today, so I'm gonna be taking some shots here, some videos here of them playing the games that they are playing here. During the team building, the companies here in Kenya usually meet somewhere, play some games, they have fun together, and then they call it a day. So I'm gonna be showing everything that is gonna happen here today. So we are having here the sack race game for the men. Okay, yeah, so let me record now the sack race game for the men. Okay, because I can see they are ready. Ooh, the sack race game is here. Someone has fallen. Hey, it's getting messy here, man, and we have our winner is right here. We have the winner right here of the men sack racing game. We have our friend here. Sometimes giving up is good, so the guy has just given up and fallen there. Yes, the winner is there. Wow, that was the sack racing game for the men, and we have gotten the winner. The Chelsea guy here has been number 2 of the sack racing game, men. Right? Can you see? This is where everything is happening. Team building. Yes, a Surge Energy Kenya. All right. We are now going into relays. I don't know whether you know what is relay. Someone runs at either the center of the field. You find your partner there. You give them the stick that you are holding. They run at the other end of the field. They give another one the stick. Continue like that. So we'll be having several teams here. Okay. So you start like when you kick off like 4 people. And then at the center of the field, we have 4 people, other four like that. So you're holding your sticks. So you just run at the center. You give your partner the stick. They go, they give their partner. Okay, so that is what is going to happen now. Here we have the men. Yes, they are going to do the relays. Right, ready? So we are starting here. Yes, man, it's happening. Look at how people are going, man. You have the Kipchoge here and the Omanyalas here. This is called the relay game. Just look at the first guy, how fast he is, man. I think you already have the winner here. You have this guy on blue. He is leading for now, but let's see what happens next here. He gives his friend on blue also. Now let's see what is gonna happen, man. We are going to get the winner right now. Let's see. Wow. Sorry. We have the winner here. People have interrupted a lot, so we couldn't see him well, but this is our Kipchoge today. The guy is hurting. This is our winner, but our winner, I think, has suffered a small injury here. I think a muscle pull. Yes, I think he has a muscle pull here. We are having the eating game. Watu wa media wako hapa na sisi. Unaona ile ni yetu ya media. The eating game, the eating competition is right here and the eating game is getting messy here, man.
Haya, tusikizane. Tunaanza na wanne wa kwanza. Wewe kaa nyuma huko. So, number 1. Steve, wacha ukole kuwakilisha. Alafu kuja next
for every round. So we are starting with 4 people and then other 4 people. That is what they are saying. So they are playing according to the different departments in the company, okay? Different departments in the company. The guys here can't keep calm, man. They can't wait to see this. Guys here can't wait to see this, man. You cannot get order here. Even the referees are getting a very hard time here to organize the game. The eating competition. The referees are getting a very hard time here to organize the game. Okay. Now they are saying we sit down so that everyone can see. So that is why my camera has gone low. Here are the competitors. We have this guy here. That is our number one, a very serious guy. We have this one, a very serious guy here. We have this one here is also competing. So it's 4 guys. Okay, he has already, look what he has done. This is what they have done here. The game is almost starting. We have 4 competitors. You see this three, then with this we have this 4th guy here.
This is the information. In a count of 3, 2, 1, then you go.
So they are starting the countdown of 3.
Tuko live.
In a count of
3, 2, 1, the game starts. Let's see who is the baddest, man. Who is the baddest here? Hey. Wait. The eating competition here. A full bread and a 300 ml soda. I think one has given up and has gone away. One of them has gone away, so I think the guy has just given up and gone away. So we are remaining with 3 guys here. This guy is pouring the soda to the bread. And you see what this guy is doing. Look at what this guy is doing here. Look at what this guy is doing. Do you see? Do you see what this guy is doing here? I think this is the best game in the world. Even if you don't win, your stomach is full. So it's just okay. Soda done. I just finished the soda. I think this guy is gonna win. This one here. This guy is gonna win. So let's see. See the fans, man. The fans are crazy. The fans are crazy here. This guy is winning. This guy is winning, man. Guys, we have the winner here. We have the winner. That is the winner. This is the number 2 because the others has given up. So this is the number 2. The fans are so crazy here. The fans are so crazy. So that was round 1. Round 1. You have gotten the winner. Let me look for the winner here. This is the winner. The winner has gone this way, man. The winner is hurting. The winner is here, man. So let me show you guys the winner. Here is the winner of the eating competition part 1. You have our winner here, man. Yeah, this is the winner. Eating competition part 1 done. That is the winner. So let's go back for round 2 of the game. All right. I think you can see the fans here are so crazy. The fans are so crazy about the game. We are going to round 2 here. So let me get close. Part 2 eating competition.
Count of 3,
2,
1, go!
we start. Let's see what is happening here.
Soda. Mwagilia mkate soda. Mwagilia mkate soda. Mwagilia mkate soda. Lucas. Mwagilia mkate soda. Mwagilia mkate soda.
They didn't try to pour soda in the bread.
Mwagilia mkate soda Lucas. Mwagilia mkate.
What's happening with this guy? He's almost finishing his bread. Look at this guy, man.
Wewe sogea nyuma. Bela unatetemeka.
Hey. I think the competition is on these two guys. The competition is, man. Here is where the competition is. The champion is here. Here is the champion. Here is the champion. The fans are crazy. The fans are crazy. We have the winner there. Here is the winner. 18 competition season 2. Then we have number 2 here. That was a crazy one, man. That was a crazy one. That was a crazy one. Eating competition game. Now it's lunchtime, and as you can see, people are all having their lunch here. They had cooked rice, ugali, you know. See, my friend here is eating, so he is eating ugali with some meat. Yes, so this was lunchtime. Some food, and as some people were eating, there was also a football game going on, so that we could know the number 3 and the number 4 of the football. Okay. Immediately after lunch, the volleyball finals. So we went straight to volleyball finals after lunchtime. So as you can see here, you guys are doing the thing, man. I don't know whether you guys play this wherever you are from. Don't know how many of us know this game. This is a volleyball game, and this is the final. So you can see how the ball is staying on the air for so long, because the guys here were so serious. They knew this was the finals, and no joke in it, man. A score there. This game, I don't even know the rules of this game, but anyway. Yes, here we have the winners. This is the guys who won the volleyball game. I told you it was final, so they are the ones who won, and then we went straight to also football finals after the volleyball finals. You can see the losers here complaining. Few minutes in the game, and we already had the second goal, because the grey guys here had scored their first, so these guys equalized. Yes, you can see them there celebrating. Yes, so that was the second goal of the game in about under 5 minutes. Yes, they had already scored 2 goals. The grey team 1 goal, and then the red team another one. So the game is happening. They have just scored. I think we are in the 5th minute here, and the scores are 1-1. This is the finals. I think, I don't know whether, no, I didn't show you when they were playing the semi-finals, because they only had 4 teams. So they just started at semi-finals. The 2 teams were eliminated, and now we are on the finals here. 2 teams here, so we're gonna see who's going to be the winner here. So the grey ones are they are called admins. I think they are the bosses in this company, the HRs, the managers. They are the ones wearing grey. So let's see. We almost got a goal there. We might have a goal here. We have a goal here, but that is offside. They have injured each other here, but that's not a goal. The goal is not going to stand because that was an offside. So evening, it's DJ Cheupe here, and yes, we're still continuing with the thing here. We're continuing with the game, the final game here, the finals of the football game. I told you whatever is happening here today, we have team building of this company. This is Surge Energy Kenya. They deal with in making the gas cylinders. I think you guys know the gas cylinders. So this company deals with making the gas cylinders. So that is what is happening here today. Okay, yes. So I'm here to just show you everything that is gonna happen today. I think we are just remaining with this game. After this game, I think we are going to have a volleyball finals. I don't know, not volleyball, but basketball finals, and then after that, I don't know what's going to be next. So let's just wait and see. What a good cross there. That was a good cross, but the ball is not yet out. A counter attack here. Nice block there. We have our lady there. The ball is gone, man. Things are happening so fast here. So back to the keeper there. Yes, keeper to his left back. The midfielder there, a small foul, but we continue. Let's see what's gonna happen there. Not yet out. Wow, they're making some good passes here. They are trying, man. Remember, these are not even footballers. These are just workers who are just having a fun. Workers who are just doing something called a team building here in Kenya. So these are not professional footballers. I think they're just people who are in love with football, so they don't even play football. So we are going to take the first penalty now. This will be the first guy to take the penalty now. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Yeah, so this is the first guy to take the penalty. I know he's nervous now. I know he's so nervous. So let's see what he's going to do.
Kuka, anguka nayo.
The whistle is there. So let's now see. That was a good one. That was a good one, man. Now let's see the second one. The second one is here. The second penalty. Here it is. Let's see what's gonna happen. A goal. You see the ball hit the post there, so the guy was close to missing, but he got the goal finally. The third one now, we wait. We have this guy here. This guy is a defender. I've seen him playing as a defender. I think as a right back, yeah. So this is the third penalty. Let's see what's gonna happen here, guys. Okay. Remember, this is a team building of this company, Surge Energy, that deals with gas cylinders here in Kitengela, Kenya. Somewhere in a town we call Kitengela, Kenya, just in the outskirts of Nairobi. The third penalty is here. Let's see. Oh, the guy missed, man. Woo. The guy has missed the penalty here, guys. Don't know what's gonna happen today, man. Woo. They might lose the game now. Let's see. The fourth guy is here. So the scores are grey 1, red 1, but the red guys has taken 2 penalties, so this is the second one for the grey guys. Let's see whether he's going to score. Let's see whether he's gonna score. Oh, a goal. A very simple one, man. He has scored a very simple goal. A very simple goal, man. Hey. Yes, our fourth guy is our fifth guy. Yeah, our fifth guy is here. Let's see what's gonna happen. You can hear they are calling him Dan Were. Dan Were is his name. The penalty taker. A goal. They are saying he's the head of security in the company. So let's see what's gonna happen. A goal. The keeper was close to taking it the ball. He had seen where the ball was going, but anyway, that's a goal. I think the grey guys have scored 3 goals. The red ones have scored 2 goals. So let's see this one. A goal. A muscle pull there. He's got a muscle pull. See, he's down. He's got a muscle pull. So the first day team, they are gonna do something. But he scored. He has scored. They are gonna take him out of the field so that the penalties can continue. They are saying he cannot score and then he enjoys being carried away. Another one here. A goal. The guy celebrated there, man. He has danced like Matthias Cunha from Manchester United. I think you have seen that. So we are going to take the... I think this is the 5th guy from the red ones. So if he scores and the grey guys also score, so the grey guys will win. If he loses, they win. If he scores, the Grey Guys has to take one penalty for them to win. So let's see what happens. They're calling CR7 Cristiano. A goal. So the Grey ones now have to score for the penalties to continue. So this guy coming, he has to score. This guy. Have you seen this guy? He's a defender though, but he has to score. If he scores, then they are the winners. If he loses, the penalties continue. So let's see. Yes, if he scores, the game ends. If he loses, the penalties continue. Let's see. Goal! And they are now the winners. They are officially the winners of today's game, of today's football. Yes, they are celebrating. Let's see. Oh, they are dancing. Oh, wow. They are dancing. Yeah, they are celebrating the win now. And the other players are joining. Oh, yes. That was a good one. So the game is now done. The games are now done. So I think we are going to dance a little bit and then call it a day. So let's go on this side and see what happens. Okay.
Kushika hiyo kidole kwa haraka. Sawa? Si saa hizi. Nikisema sawa.
Ushaanza kushika.
Na kama unajua umeweka kidole chini, wewe unajaribu kuitoa haraka. Tumeelewana? Wale watano watashika. Kuna thao mbili hapa. Manze, hii ni do. Tunaongelea do hapa. Si itakuwa sawa? Haya, weka juu, nataka nihesabu in 3. Wewe ukibonga itakupita. In 3, 2, 1. Wangapi wameshika? Wangapi? We achilie. Sasa hiyo ni example. Sasa mumeelewa kenye inaendelea hapa. Unaona? Sasa tuingie finals za haraka. Hii ni cash, si ndio? Ni cash. Sasa utatoa zikiwa 20.
Iko cash.
Ni cash.
Ndio watu wamevuliza.
Ana tuna. Haya, weka juu. Sasa hii juu kabisa. Haya.
Acha kushika bana.
Yeah, mambo serious. Weka juu kabisa. Weka wewe. Usianze kusema haya, ndio hiyo. Haya ndio ninaanza. In 3. Haya, in 3. In 2. Nani amesema 1? Kuna namna gani hawa? Nani amesema 1? Jamani, nani amesema 1? Haya, leo ninaanza countdown. In 3, in 2, in 1. Wangapi? Kama unajua umeshika mkono na umekaa chini, simama juu tukuone.
Wanaiba kura. Wanaiba kura.
Sasa nyinyi mmekaa hivi hatuwezi waamini, amkai serious. Nyinyi wote mmeshika.
Watu wanaiba kura hapa.
Mmeshika?
Hata nikushika ndio upewe hii pesa.
Sawa. Achilie. No. Haya, tuangalie. Tulikuwa tumeona Ismail huyu mtoto mzuri. Akitoa hiyo smile anarudi kwenye ukumbi. Oi. Nashuku huyu atatoka saa hii. Nashuku tu. Unaona na smile? Wewe. Haya, ngoja kidogo. Baba, ile pesa ndio tukupatie. Unaitwa nani? Dominic, toka hapa. Wamebaki 3 bora. lusumu zikae kando. Haya, sasa ni haraka haraka, fuata mimi mbio, chapa. Inama. Wote wako sawa? Wako sawa? Baba, ukipewa shilingi 1000 unaweza kufanyia nini? Rafiki yangu ni nani? Thank you. Si wako sawa? Achani wivu bana. Wako sawa? Wapewe wasipewe? Wapewe wasipewe? Aya. Wapi ile jamani? Wapi ile? Ni moto.
Fire.
Sijui kumsaidia jamani. Hapa ni mchuano wa kalikali. Aya. Sasa tushikanishe. Mimi ni moto. Jamani, mimi ni moto.
Fire.
Wakuatia mbali. Si tumepoteza huyo. Haya, acha tujaribu dadake.
Now each of us as they finished the day, so of course they had to do some dance, because you know always everywhere else that one person who doesn't do anything. So we had guys who hadn't done anything for the whole day, so at least we had to dance. We had to just do a little few activities before we conclude and give the winners their trophies, because we had also came with some trophies that we are going to award the winners of the day. So yeah, that is it. You can see them dancing here and there, man. People are enjoying, people are feeling so good, man. Just look at them. Trophies time. So we have the awarding of the trophies here. Yes, and award of encouragement to the, I think, first runners up team here, if I'm not wrong. Okay, and then after they got their trophy, of course they had to take a picture. So here they are taking a picture. Right, pause for the picture. Right, this. And the winners of the day are here being awarded. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Let me give you some time to do that. Okay, thank you. You are the best. See you soon.